Preparing for a hurricane starts long before the storm arrives. Being proactive can make all the difference in mitigating damage and, most importantly, keeping you and your loved ones safe. Here are 6 steps you can take to plan ahead and prepare. Number 1, review your policy and gather documents. Know your coverage limits and deductible. Hurricane deductibles are oftentimes significantly higher than standard deductibles, usually between 2 and 5% of the dwelling coverage. If you don't have a specific hurricane deductible, you may have a separate wind and hail deductible, which is also likely going to be higher than your standard deductible. Ensure you have adequate coverage for additional living expenses should your home become uninhabitable due to the damage. Be mindful, if the damage is significant, you may be out of your home for over a year, so be sure to account for a year's worth of rent and any extra living expenses that may be needed. Number 2, take an accounting of your home and belongings. It's your responsibility to show the damage to your insurance company. Taking pictures and videos of your personal property prior to the loss is recommended. These are items within your home that you would take with you if you were to move. You may also want to consider inventorying the items within each room and gathering any receipts you may have available. It is preferable to store these items electronically. This will save you significant time after a storm and provide irrefutable evidence that you owned the belongings. Number 3, prepare an emergency kit. You should gather enough supplies to sustain your household for at least 72 hours. However, a 14-day supply is preferable. Consider including the following in your kit. Number 4, consider alternative methods for electricity, such as a generator. A generator can power your fridge, some lights, and even a portable hot plate for cooking. If a generator is not in your budget or feasible for where you live, a solar power bank may be a better fit. Number 5, secure your property. Have storm shutters on hand ready to secure entry points such as doors and windows. Trim trees and remove debris. Reinforce garage doors and secure outdoor furniture along with anything else that could become a projectile. Number 6, develop an evacuation plan. Know your evacuation route and the location of nearby shelters. Plan ahead for individuals with special needs as well as pets. Keep your vehicle fueled and stocked with emergency supplies, and don't wait until the last minute to evacuate. Waiting too long could potentially leave you and your family stranded on the highway in the path of a storm. By having a plan in place for your home and family ahead of a named storm, you're taking important steps to mitigate damage to your property and keep everyone safe. If you have any questions or need assistance, please contact us. We're here to help.